I gotta go with your brother. Come on, Bradley!
I just got told somehow them guys are related out there. They're related in some way. We'll see what happens.
They're brothers!
We got 58, Brian Ellingsworth, and 76, Brad Ellingsworth.
Come on, Little B! Show what you got, Little B!
Brag for the rest of the family.
Brian, I'll tell you again. You got it at your page. Come on, Bradley! Come on, Bradley! Oh, man, Brian, come on! Come on! Brad.
58 says you're going to have to earn it if you're going to win.
You
You're going to have to earn it because I'm not letting off.
Come on, Bradley! Start it up!
Make some noise for 76. Can you get
Come on, Bradley! Blow it out! Let's go! Get a Little B!
All right, how about 58? Anybody like him?
Woo! Well, come on, Bradley! Let's go! Come on, Bradley!
76 coming around. We'll see what he does.
Come on, Bradley! Woohoo! Now Little B!
Take care of that steering. The steering's the key on these cars.
Come on. Sorry, Brian.
Let's try it again. How many people want the 58 automobile to win?
Woo!
And how many people want 76 to win?
Woo!
And how many people don't care?
Woo!
It looks like the don't care wins. Let's see.
Come on, Little B! Oh my God!
Uh-oh. I guess he wants a sandwich.
Oh, give it to him. Come on.
How about a big round of applause for
Woo!
there, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know what
That's my baby boy. All right.
hands, I'm assuming hot transmission water.
Woohoo!
What are we doing? You're not done?
We gotta call it a tie.
Is it okay if they're not done, ladies and gentlemen? He wants to keep going.
Yeah! Yeah!
All right, it's fine with me. It's their money and trophy.
Won it anyway. Let's go! Yep.
Can 58 get going? That's the question.
Yeah, come on.
There we go.
Come on, Brian. Go, Little B! Oh my God.
Okay, let's do it again. How many people want 58? There we go. And how many people want 76?
Come on, Bradley.
Now it's on fire. Now we got a problem.
Oh God, Brad, get out, Brian. Get out, Brian. Get out. Brian, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out, Brian.
All right, here's your feature winner, ladies and gentlemen, 58, Brian Ellingsworth.
Now, wait a minute.
With 76, Brad Ellingsworth being second, 44, John Clement being third, and 44A, Adam
More hits?
Baichow being fourth. Ultimately, tell me by the
Why did they give it to Brian? Huh? Why did they give it to Brian? More hits?
Andy Bosco, I believe it was
Why did they give it to Brian?
today.
Oh, I thought it was Brian's car that was
You can see
on.
there's so many standing at the fence. You can see.
All right, lovely fourth place is not 44. Fourth place is also 27, Andy Bosco. They wrote it down wrong for me. So let me run it down for you again. 58, Brian Ellingsworth.
Woo!
Brad Ellingsworth.
Woo! Sorry.
44, John Clement third, and fourth goes to 27, Andy Bosco. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Sandwich Fair, International Demolition
Oh God, what a race.
we appreciate your attendance to today's event. Please enjoy the fair. Go out and have yourself a corn dog or an elephant ear or one of them great sandwiches or something just nice and cold to drink. But please exit the grandstand slowly and keep a hold of your children. Again, thank you very much for your attendance today.
There's that pretty old car.
car though. I love that car. I got tar on my legs riding the sucker.
I can't do many more of those. I know. I can't do many more of those, Rachel. The two of them together, I can't do that. We're driving against each other. I just can't do that. Go Tubbies!
They both want money. Well, they want everything. They want anything you can win. Possibly they got.
I just can't do this when they have to fight against each other. I just can't, you know, it just, I like it.
Brian should have folded and let Bradley win though. I mean, Bradley's been wanting to win so bad. If I was a good brother, I'd.
Well, see, I don't understand. I don't understand why it wasn't. I mean, they have to give a first and second. I get that. I'm taping still. I don't get how you call one a winner or one because Bradley's was on fire, so Brian's wasn't his.
Right, Brian could keep running and Bradley could not. So
where was it on fire? Was it actually on fire? Or
yeah, it was
smoking?
on fire under the hood. They went and put it out underneath the engine compartment. You can't run with it started when you have fire under the engine. So what happened is it got so hot that the gases come up, you know, when you're trying to start it, and the gas overflows out of the carburetor.
Man, they did a good race though.
It overflows out of the carburetor, and as such,